Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel and monetize it. So now after opening YouTube, click on your profile and click on create channel. Now give it a name and a handle, and you can even select a picture and click on create channel. Now your channel is being created. Now after creating a channel, you can start uploading videos consistently. Now what you will do is again click on your profile icon and search for YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, click in the Earn tab. Here, once you meet the requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, and that's it. Your channel can now start earning. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.